Imagine I'm a parent sitting down with my beautiful black queens, my daughters, and we're watching the news. And on comes the Minister of Education. And my daughter looks at me and says, Daddy, I really like her hair. Can I wear my hair like that? And I looked at my daughter and said, No, because she isn't properly groomed. How does that make sense? They talk about order and the importance of keeping order in the schools. How is the way a child chooses to keep their hair preventing them or other students from learning, especially in a majority black country? Let me paint you a picture. There was a young man who got up in the morning, pressed his uniform, cooked breakfast for himself and possibly his family, and got out of the house and walked past drugs, gangs, scamming, crime, and all types of poverty and every excuse to give up. And when he showed up to his place of refuge, which is the school, and Siki tell him, Viton back, because he's here in a trim. There's a little girl who got up, washed up, and tidied the house, put on her uniform, and left school, and walked past men inviting her out, offers for gifts just for a moment of her time, and plenty of sexual advances. And she reaches school, and Siki said, Yo, the dress not touch your ankles. Go on up. You're not coming here. And you turn these same kids back to the chaos that you claim you're trying to protect them from, where do you exactly expect them to go? What do you expect them to do for the hours they should have been in school? We can't keep playing this game where we present children with things that we tell them are wrong and tell them not to do it.